For the first ever interview, and we were both tentative, and
all the best to millions of Indians who wants to be at Filmfare Awards this time through Britannia Cow Filmfare Jao. See you there.
Fantastic. Thank you, Mr. Ali Harris. May I please request Abhishek Bachchan to say a few words?
Good evening, members of the media. Thank you, Jitesh, for inviting me to be here. It's always a lot of fun. This is the second time I'm announcing the press conference for the Filmfare. And many, many congratulations to Britannia and to you, sir. It's possibly one of the most prestigious platforms we have in the film industry, and to be associated with it is a matter of great pride, not only for actors, but I hope for you as well. Your promotional activity is brilliant. Can some actors apply for that also? हम लोग बिस्किट खाएंगे तो हम लोग भी जा पाएंगे. In case sometimes, you know, Jitesh has his oops moment where he says, oh, I forgot. तो invitation card अगर नहीं पहुंचा, so we'll buy some. हम लोग भी खा के फिल्म फेयर जा सकते हैं. It's the only time actors will be allowed to eat. So thank you for being here. This is wonderful. It's the 60th Filmfare Awards. It's very momentous, and as was announced earlier, it is possibly the oldest and definitely one of the most prestigious awards that we have in the Hindi film calendar. So it's a matter of huge pride for every actor to just attend the Filmfare Awards. I remember as a child, I can pretty much guarantee for most actors, we've all practiced speeches in front of the mirror way before we even became actors. You think about becoming an actor afterwards, you think about your Filmfare acceptance speech first. So, you know, Filmfare has been a huge dream vehicle for a lot of people that are in the film industry today. Filmfare par ke hum log sab bade hue hain, and we've all wanted to be part of the Filmfare Awards. I still remember winning my first ever Filmfare. It was one of the moments for me in my career so far. It was actually good 10 years ago. 2004, I won Best Supporting Actor for Yuva, and it was made even more special because they were celebrating 50 years of Filmfare, and the statuette was actually gold. So I'm one of the lucky few who has actually a gold Filmfare statue, and that statue still sits on my desk, and it's a huge reminder of the high expectations that not only Filmfare but the viewing audience has of your work, and you have to work hard every day to try and fulfill it. I actually was just telling Jitesh, I actually won 3 Filmfares in a row. 2004 for Yuva, 2005 for Sarkar, and then 2006 for Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. The photograph is right there. Unfortunately, that's where my journey with Filmfare ended. Since then, I've been trying to win another award, but there have been far worthier people than me that year. So we hope that in the future I get the opportunity to not just announce the press conference, but give another acceptance speech, which I already have ready. So thank you, Jitesh. Thank you, Times of India. Thank you, Filmfare, for being here. You all have always been such great support and friends to the film industry, and I really do hope that you carry on to be exactly that and hold that special place in every actor, technician's heart that you do. And many congratulations to Britannia, and I hope your journey with Filmfare is very fruitful.
Thank you for Q&A. We have mics in the audience.
Hi, Abhishek. आपके राइट में आलोक हियर फ्रॉम OAFM. मेरा सवाल है कि युवा के लिए, सरकार के लिए एंड कभी अलविदा ना कहना के लिए भी मिल गया था. 2007 के बाद ऐसा क्या हुआ कि इतनी लंबी दूरी हो गई, लाइक तकरीबन 8 साल के करीब हो गए. तो कोई ऐसी फिल्म नहीं बनी या आपको लगा कि और भी मेहनत करनी चाहिए?
हाँ, क्योंकि आलोक, you should always think negative. That's always good. No, you just have to think that there were people that were better and more deserving, and you should work harder. At the end of the day, the Filmfare is a popular award. It is done through voting. So you just have to accept the fact that us saal the audience felt that somebody else is more deserving. It's nothing to get downhearted about. I look upon it as an inspiration to try and do better and try and win. So ऐसी कोई बात तो है नहीं. I still enjoyed making all my films. They thankfully went on. Some worked, some didn't. But the award is decided by the audience, and they at that point thought somebody else was better. You can vote. I've had a release last year. Please vote for me. I really want to win the award this year. Okay? You voted for me?
Yeah.
Good. Ask another question.
दूसरा सवाल कि फिल्म फेयर देखने का क्रेज बहुत होता है लोगों को, लाइक किसी के पास टिकट्स हैं तो जैसा ऐड में भी आया था, हमने देखा कि ये दे दो
जी।
आपका क्रेज क्या हुआ करता था जब बचपन में फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स हुआ करते थे?
The first ever film function I ever went to was a Filmfare Award. It was at now the Tulip Star Hotel, तब वो Centaur Hotel हुआ करता था, and it was very memorable because it was round table seating, सब लोग बैठे हुए थे, awards हुए. As soon as the awards got over, everybody got up, and the entire platform, which was built on top of the swimming pool, collapsed. So that you're never going to forget as a teenager. So yeah, I remember that. But can media also eat Britannia and come to the Filmfare Award? Does your publication allow that, other media people? Huh? Red carpet, acha. They allowed on the red carpet this time. Badai ho, aap log bhi aiye, please. I'm inviting all of you all, aa jao.
मिस्टर अली, कोई अगर ब्रिटानिया का प्रोडक्ट आपको गिफ्ट करना हो अभिषेक जी को, तो आप कौन सा प्रोडक्ट देना चाहेंगे? क्योंकि मीठा खट्टा हर तरीके का प्रोडक्ट होता है आपके पास.
I think Meetha, because and just one thing, I think my vote this year is with Mr. Bachchan, because I really thought that his performance in Happy New Year was brilliant. So of course,
Jitesh,
sweet biscuits.
सुन लिया ना? Sponsor ने क्या बोला? बोल.
So of course, sweet biscuit, and we've just launched a product which is called Britannia Good Day Chunkies. It's a chocolate chip cookie, very rich, very indulgent. We've actually gifted Mr. Bachchan some of those in the gift hamper. I hope he would like them.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Britannia. One little statistical question. Yeah, good afternoon. How many Britannias one has to go for getting that one ticket? Average.
Oh, so it's a matter of chance, to be honest. You can buy one Britannia product and you can be the lucky one to go there. So you have to just SMS the lot number that is printed on every Britannia pack, and if you're the one, you can get the pass.
In the packs that you've given me, they're there also?
They are there also.
Hi, Abhishek.
You meet me afterwards, we'll work out something.
Yeah, it's 1 in a million chance, I'll beat you to it.
Hi, Abhishek. You have lost a lot of weight, and there are reports that you're doing Hera Fairy 3. Is it that you have lost weight for Hera Fairy 3?
Thanks. You're obsessed. You're more obsessed with my weight than anybody else's. I don't know if I should take that as a compliment. I think it's become a family tradition that you'll talk about our weight, no? No, I've not actually. I'm back to the weight I normally am. People don't really know. I feel awkward talking about all of this, but you know, I did a film last year called Happy New Year, in which Nandu Bhide had a bit of a issue with alcohol. So I didn't want Farah's insisted to know you have to lose weight. I wanted to look slightly puffy and out of shape because, you know, to give a slight feel that he's very unkept. He's an alcoholic. So, you know, I put on a bit of weight for that. It was just a very minor thing that I wanted to do. After that, I just have come back to my normal size. But thank you. Utha lijiye.
Abhishek, you said that you have the speech ready, right? And inshallah, we hope you win the award this year.
Ma'am, can you just identify the media that you represent?
I'm Kamya, hi from
Yes.
OVP News. The question is that, you know, we want to know, I'm sure everybody does, that what is it that happens once you guys go home with the statue? We guys always hear the speeches on stage, and that is what
Yeah.
gets broadcasted on TV. I want to know what you do. And
We go home after a very long time.
Yes. So, and you guys
So
are
if
like,
you win a film fair, you know that night is going to be very epic.
Sure.
I still remember when I won my first ever film fair, two friends of mine, Fardeen and Goldie Behel, you know, threw a party for me that very night. And we came back in the morning. So yeah, and if you win a film fair, actors don't generally remember how they got home. So Yeah, so it's a huge cause for celebration. But for me, my Filmfare Awards are in my office where I work. And I've kept them there symbolically because that's where I do my work. That's where I listen to my scripts or have my meetings. And it's a great reminder of the expectations that people have of you. So I keep mine over there.
I'll have an extension, to the same question, because there are tons of these statues in your house. Tons is an exaggeration, but there are multiple of those. Papa has them, you have them.
I have
Everybody
3
So
Filmfares.
Yes. So
Yeah. But the elder generation has been a bit of a pro at winning them, so yeah.
So collectively, you guys have many at home.
Yeah, we have a few. Yeah.
Yes. So what is the discussion around these statues at home? Like, do you compete? What is the talk about?
Well, I think you'd be a fool if you're going to compete with Amitabh Bachchan. So, that's a race you're going to lose for sure. So no, but he is most excited about the awards that I've won, and thankfully my entire family has been present for all the times I won a Filmfare, and it's a moment I wanted to share with them. My father took me to the first ever Filmfare that I had ever gone to, and I was accompanying him, and he won an award. So to have my family around when I win is always special. So no, we don't compete about these things, but yeah, they're all kept there, and like I said, it's a constant reminder.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, sir.
Hi. Where?
This is Harsha from TV9 Marathi.
अच्छा.
सर ऐश्वर्या मैम अभी कम बैक कर रही है और ऐश्वर्या और आपका साथ में परफॉर्मेंस हमें कब देखने को मिलेगा?
फिल्मफेयर के स्टेज पे? ये सवाल आप इनसे पूछ लीजिए. कब मिलेगा भाई? Soon.
और सर बोल बच्चन वाले अभिषेक बच्चन के रोल में हमें अभिषेक बच्चन को कब देखने को मिलेगा?
वो पिक्चर तो बन गई ना मैम अभी मैं अनलेस रोहित पार्ट 2 बनाना चाहे लेकिन फिलहाल तो ऐसे कोई डिस्कशंस नहीं चल रहे हैं बट थैंक यू आई एम होपिंग यू लाइक्ड इट अच्छा लगा था आपको
या सर
ओके थैंक यू
अभिषेक हैप्पी न्यू ईयर फिल्म में शाहरुख खान ने अब्राम को इंट्रोड्यूस किया था वी वुड लव टू यू कि आप अगर इंट्रोड्यूस करें आराध्या को कभी कुछ फिल्म में हो सकता है ऐसा आराध्या को इंट्रोड्यूस करना
जी देखिए वो अभी तो बच्ची है जब बड़ी होगी अगर वो एक्टिंग करना चाहे तो इट विल बी एन ऑनर टू हैव इन अ फिल्म बट बिफोर दैट आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स गोइंग टू हैपन
ओके अभिषेक
या
अमित जी को मतलब अमित जी और आपको साथ में देखना सभी को बहुत पसंद है तो अब जैसे कि शमिता आपको क्रू प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं तो क्या आपका कोई कैमियो हमें देखने मिलेगा इस मूवी में
जी नहीं
ओके इन फ्यूचर कोई फिल्म साथ में फिर से आपकी अमित
अभी
जी
तो नहीं है बट इन शमिता आई हैव डन अ पासिंग शॉट कैमियो तो नहीं किया या वो शूट कर रहे थे एयरपोर्ट में and I had just landed from London. So I was passing by and Balki was rolling the camera, so by default I'm in the, sorry, you'll have to tolerate me in Shamitab also. But no cameo, no.
अभिषेक किसकी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए आप ज़्यादा बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं ऑन स्टेज इस 60th फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड के लिए?
Jitesh Pillai.
Is he going to perform?
He's the opening act. You to see Jitesh dance, he's got some major moves. I've seen Jitesh at one Filmfare party actually. You don't forget those visuals very fast. And Jitesh is the opening act. At the head of the red carpet, he'll be performing. So his is the act you're always going to look forward to. And obviously backstage, Annu who's beating up people and all that because she's stressing. Because this presentation has not come in this. So yeah, they both are generally the most entertaining.
अभिषेक आप स्पोर्ट्स से काफी जुड़े हैं जैसे कि कबड्डी टीम
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप इस
तो मैं जानना
मुझे पता ही नहीं था यार
ओके तो अभी हमारे वर्ल्ड कप आ रहा है और युवराज इस बार नहीं खेल रहे हैं और मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप अपने हमारे देश के लिए मतलब इंडिया के लिए विशेष दे वर्ल्ड कप को और जैसा कि युवराज नहीं खेल रहे हैं तो आपका उस पर क्या रिएक्शन
जी देखिए आई डोंट नो क्रिकेट वेरी वेल आई एम अ ह्यूज सपोर्टर ऑफ इंडियन क्रिकेट I'm presuming the team and the selectors know best. As a huge Yuvraj fan, I would have loved to have seen him there. But like I said, it's the selector's job and you have to respect that. They know what they're talking about. And I wish the team all the very best. They've only been a matter of huge pride for every Indian. I still remember exactly where I was on the 2nd of April, 2011 when we won the match and I had gone absolutely mental when we won and it was such a moment of great pride for every Indian and I wish them all the very best. और यही चाहूँगा कि ये बार इस बार ऑस्ट्रेलिया में है वर्ल्ड कप, यहाँ भी हम लोग विजय प्राप्त करके वापस आएं, so that we can all celebrate with them.
Members of the media, last 2 questions. Thank you.
हाँ, मैंने बगल में ही है ना, तो इसमें चले जाता हूँ. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में यार आलोक, I hope it will be wonderful if I can take time out. I'd like to, but it all depends. I don't know if I can go in the initial stages. I have a bit of time near the semis, but if India qualifies, I'd love to go. Yeah.
Mr. Ali, the question's for you. You know, at the Oscars the last time, we saw some pizza boxes getting circulated. So what is the excitement like when it comes to serving the guests? You know?
Biscuit खाएंगे इस बार और क्या?
So is there going to be like some special recipes that you?
There used to be a time, I think you weren't born then, when at Filmfare there used to be a goodie bag that used to go around. On your chair there used to be it was from where I don't remember, 1 water bottle, 1 croissant inside, 1 biscuit. This was your picnic because Filmfare those days used to go on for 6-7 hours.
Right, but what
so
are
either
you
khao piyo and then kisko after that.
Sure.
So this time we'll ask him to give us some biscuits. It's the least they can do for us. So as soon as we're entering, just after Jitesh's mind-blowing performance, you stand there with your goodie hamper and just give 1 to every actor. Ki agar bhook lage bhaiya to kha lena. It'll be shot on television also. We'll get more promotion. So we can then say, hum log khaye aur Filmfare bhi gaye.
So I'll take Mr. Bachchan's advice.
I think
so
it's a good
there will
idea.
be some surprise. So please buy a Britannia pack.
Buy?
Participate in Britannia Khao Filmfare Chao and you will see the surprise.
Buy? Media should be giving them for, no?
They will get it free.
They'll stand for hours on the red carpet. I think they should also get. I'm going to petition that all the media people also get cookies on the red carpet. Yeah. And something to drink also. You all make any drinks?
Yeah, we have some beverages. We have some milk products.
दूध पियेंगे आप लोग? Shabash. See how much I'm promoting you.
Yes, yes.
My dates are available by the way. Huh? Brand ambassador बनना है तो मैं बन जाऊँगा. No problem.
Oh, it'll be a pleasure. It'll be a pleasure.
अभिषेक,
हाँ जी.
हाँ, ये जॉन के साथ आपकी दूसरी मूवी है, तो कितने एक्साइटेड हैं आप?
ये दूसरी नहीं तीसरी है मैम.
सॉरी, तीसरी.
हाँ जी. हमने एक छोटी सी फिल्म की थी, उसका नाम था धूम. हाँ. उसके बाद एक और छोटी सी आर्ट हाउस फिल्म बनाई थी दोस्ताना. अभी एक बड़ी कमर्शियल फिल्म बनाने जा रहे हैं हम लोग जी. आज शाम को आप आइए. I'm inviting you. Have you been invited?
Yes.
अच्छा. Who's not invited? Are you invited? Please come, Jitesh. There's an announcement in the evening. So yeah, I'm very excited. I call John Baba. So he's one of my favorite co-stars. And हम लोग बहुत सालों से इस खोज में थे कि अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट मिले हम दोनों को, क्योंकि हम चाहते थे कि धूम और दोस्ताना के बाद हम एक ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट करें जो हम दोनों को बहुत पसंद आए, and it gives the people that like the jodi of John and myself the scope to do what we do best. So we're very happy with the new script of Hera Pheri 3. Neeraj ji had narrated Hera Pheri 3 to me कुछ 3 साल हो गए अभी. हम लोग बोल बच्चन के सेट्स पे मैम आपको TV9 thank you. On the sets of Bol Bachchan, he narrated the idea to me, so they've been working on it since then. So we're very excited. I spoke to him this morning again, and we have a function in the evening, and I hope to see you there, and then we can answer some more questions about that.
Thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, members of the media, for joining us here today. We'd also like to thank the Leela Mumbai for this lovely afternoon. So I definitely hope that you have a good day ahead.